In this lesson, I'm going to show you the chords you need to get through Raise a Hallelujah. We'll play through the verse and chorus and groove that up. And then at the end, don't miss this. It's really awesome. I'm going to show you this cool rolling groove where you can jam out the song because it's kind of a good guitar-driven thing. So we're going to make it piano-driven, and you're going to love it. Coming up, I'll raise a hallelujah. The presence. All right, our song today is in the key of D flat. Don't freak out. I know it's D flat. God, we just ask you to help us play in D flat today. And we ask you to watch over the student wherever they are in the world. Here's what you're going to need to do. With the left hand, and here's middle C. Left hand, let's do some bass notes on D flat. And then in the right hand, D flat, F, and G flat. So get this down. Each little chord, you want to be able to move in between them as I show you how these go. All right, so just to get us moving, let's play something like this. All right, just to get you moving. And doing that simple thing, you can start singing verse 1. I'll raise a hallelujah. You're gonna move this thumb up to here. In the presence of my enemies. I'll raise a hallelujah. Louder than my unbelief. Keep going. I'll raise a hallelujah. My weapon is a melody. Raise a hallelujah. Raise a hallelujah. Heaven comes to fight, and heaven comes to fight for me. All right, so that's one simple movement going from D flat to D flat, sus. Then we go to the chorus. This is cool. We're literally never going to move our pinky from this D flat here as we move around all of our chords. All right, so in the bass, let's go ahead and jump down actually to G flats. And we're going to play this G flat 2. All right, 1, 2. There's the 2. All right, into the chorus. I'm gonna sing. That's where you're at. Go back to D flat. In the middle of the storm. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video. And then we'll go to a B flat minor. So all you have to do is do this. If you want to add in this note, it makes it a minor 7. Louder and louder. All right, then we'll go to an A flat sus. And we're here, A flat, D flat, E flat. And A flat's in the bass. And I hear my praises roar. And at this point, you've learned every chord that you need to play through the song. So let's go through the full chorus. Again, it's a video, so you can pause it, you can work through these. You want to get to where you can move in between the chords easily by yourself. Chorus, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm. B flat minor 7. Louder and louder, I'm gonna hear my praises roar. And up from the ashes, hope will arise. And death is defeated, the King is alive. A flat again. Bam. Then we made it through the chorus. Now verse 2 is a little different, so don't drop off yet. We're gonna be using those chords through verse 2. All right, so let's get to that. I raise a hallelujah to our D flat chord. I raise a hallelujah. Now to our G flat 2. To our B flat minor 7. Hallelujah. A flat. And I will watch the darkness flee. Getting the hang of it? D flat. Raise a hallelujah. In the middle of the mystery. I raise a hallelujah. And fear lost its hold on me. Bam. All right, so now let me show you a cool rolling groove you can do with all of that. So using the D flat chord, all we're gonna do is roll from bottom to top, all right? And and we're gonna kind of drop out the middle note for a second. So on the D flat, you're just gonna go, but it's gonna be fast because our tempo is ba-da, 2, 3. So you gotta go da-da, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you're just rolling from this direction to this direction. See how cool this sounds when I play it. Raise a hallelujah, the presence of my enemies. Because this isn't a piano song, it's a guitar song. So we're kind of recreating that guitar groove, doing what we can on the piano. Okay, another thing you can do with that, I'm going to leave it to you to work it out, but you can add this middle note in. So if you go bottom to top, and the next time play the middle note. So it'll look like this. But then you got to do it quickly. Sense. You got to work it out. You got to get your hands used to it so you can play it and sing it. It is possible. It just takes a little while, and you can do it. I trust you. All right, there's a couple links. You can go to the Bethel video, jam along with them. I have another video you can jam with me, sing and play the song, get it kind of the groove down, get the feel. So those links are in the video or below. Also, cheat sheets, man. Go check out cheat sheets. Sign up for the email list. You can get this cool little PDF. It'll show you secrets about playing the piano, and then you can stay in touch with me. Wade McNutt, Piano Meditation. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.